Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Error, we are sorry but something went wrong, please try again. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here, just check your internet connection. So just tap on Wi-Fi, just choose Wi-Fi, turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just open mobile data, turn off and turn on again. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general. In the general, just find here reset and just tap on reset network settings. So just submit resetting network settings, and this is the way also how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.